Glamfam, so today we're going to be doing something that we haven't done in a long time, and it's actually something that I really like doing because I like showing that makeup is very versatile and you just really have to work on the skill. Today we're going to be doing a grungy makeup look with Dollar Tree makeup. So I have a series on this on my channel. I think I have about 6 or 7 videos with me doing different makeups with just Dollar Tree makeup. All of this I got from the dollar store, including the container, and I will link everything that I used in this video, at least as much as I can, down below. So if you would like to try it out, you can. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. If you are new here, hi. Thanks for being here. That was cringy. Moving on. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you will click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. And also, I have another channel now. It is called Josie Co. I will link it in the description below for you to check that out. Let's jump into this video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is there are 2 products that I can't get at the Dollar Tree. You can get one of the products, but it's absolutely, it really sucks. I would advise everyone else to just splurge a little bit, and get a product that's a little bit better than the Dollar Tree version. So those 2 products are a sponge, a makeup sponge, and lashes. You can get really good lashes at a drugstore and they're pretty cheap. Sometimes you can find them for like $4, and it's gonna be better than the lashes you find at the dollar store. Every once in a while, the dollar store does have okay lashes, but they did not have any this time, so I am using these bad boys. I've never found a good makeup sponge at the Dollar Tree, ever. You can get the triangle white makeup sponges, but let me show you something that I have just recently discovered. This is a squishy, because that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a sponge that is it has give to it, okay? You don't want to be bouncing a cement block on your face. This beauty blender is actually new to me, and I am so excited to show you guys this. I'm gonna do a whole entire video by itself for this product because I love it so much. This is the Juno Co Microfiber Velvet Sponge. This is amazing. If you would like to try it out, I will leave links in the description. Here's the kicker, guys. This is $6. $6 compared to $20 for the Beauty Blender, and it's amazing. Anyway, you can, however, if you would like to put your makeup on with a brush, the Dollar Tree does have brushes that you can use to put your makeup on, and to be honest, they're not that bad. They're actually really not that bad. They are the Wet n Wild brushes. They are white. The only thing that I have done is moisturize my face. So let's zoom you guys in. We are actually going to be going into our eyes first. So the first thing that I'm going to add is this e.l.f. concealer. I got this at the dollar store. This is in the color light beige. The only bad thing is they don't have a lot of colors when it comes to face makeup. They have like 3 usually. A super light, a super dark, and somewhere in the middle. And usually you have to mix, which is, sometimes it can come out better if you mix anyway. But this is light beige, and I'm hoping that this isn't dark on me. We're gonna use this as a eyeshadow primer. This is a very luminous concealer. I'm gonna go in with some powder on this, just a little bit. This is LA Colors light powder, and we're just going to take a tiny bit of this and just pounce this onto our eye, just to take some of that shine away so we can go in with some shadow. The eyeshadow that I ended up picking up today is by LA Colors as well. This is what it looks like. Don't mind my swatching because this was clean, but I really wanted to see how dark that black was when I bought it. It comes with this sponge. Disregard that sponge because you can get something that works way better for $1. So This is what we're going to be working with today. I'm going to be taking the bigger blending brush. We're going to be going in with this brown color right here. First, placing this down, and then we can start to blend it out. So, our next color is we are going to start to pack this blue color, which is actually really pretty, into our crease, and we're going to also put this dark teal color onto our lid. Once again, pack first and then blend. If you guys already watch my channel, you know that this is what I live by. Now what this blue is going to do is that is going to like cool the color that we have on our eyelids down, since the first transition shade was super warm. Now I'm just going to take my finger and that dark teal color, and we are going to place this onto our lid. We're gonna also blend this up just a little bit. Another trick that I know is if you are having a hard time blending a color out, go in with some translucent powder or some light powder and just put it on the edge that needs to be blended out, and then try going in and blending it out a little bit more. Do you see that? Do you see how much easier that blended out? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with translucent powder, and we're going to put that underneath our brow. I got this brown pencil, and this is from LA Colors. This is their brow pencil in dark brown. Yes, baby. What? What? It is a little warm, but it's not too bad. But I did get another product by Colormates, and this is their brow duo, and I'm gonna use this dark brown color with the little angled brush that came with the kit, and we're gonna go over the brows with this. So now I'm gonna go in and clean up my eye edge with a baby wipe, which you can get at the dollar store as well. Now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter that we got, and I'm gonna pop this on to the center of our lid. This is LA Colors Highlight in Shine Bright, and I am actually going to just use my pinky finger, because this is actually really, really pigmented, which I was really surprised by. And we're gonna pop this right into the center of our eye look. And then we're gonna go in with a darker color from this palette, the darkest color. It's kind of like a charcoal black gray, and we're going to just pack this into the inner portions of our eyes and the outer portions. We are gonna go in with the LA Colors eyeliner brow pencil. This is in black, and we're just going to tight line our eyes. This is LA Colors matte liquid liner. You don't have to do liner if you don't want to, but I really think that it helps add dimension to your look. So I'm just gonna go in with a wing, and I'm gonna follow that cutout we did with the baby wipe. We're gonna let that dry and then move on to our foundation. These are the Sassy Chic makeup foundations, and this one is really, really light. So these are the 3 shades that I got from my store. I think I'm going to mix, that's pretty close, guys. Might be a little too light. I'll add a little bit of the darker color in. So now I'm just going to dot this on my face. Everywhere. Now this is the only risk that I feel like you take when you get your makeup from the dollar store, and that is are you going to have some kind of bad reaction to whatever is in this makeup? And to that I say, I have pretty sensitive skin in some areas. So what I do is I put a little bit of it on to like the back of my wrist or the inside of my elbow to see if I break out the next day or if it's red in a couple hours. That is what I do. I recommend doing a skin test with pretty much any new makeup that you get, guys. Seriously. I'm gonna take this amazing sponge and I'm gonna show you guys how just amazing it is by just pouncing it on my face. And to be honest, I've seen worse foundations than this. This is actually okay. And the only thing is it is actually really satiny. So you see how shiny my face is? We're gonna hope that dries down a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with that concealer that I used for my eyes, and that is by e.l.f. once again. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in and set this face with some powder. Now we're going to go in with the same colors that we used on top of our eyes, underneath our eyes. We're going to go into highlight. Once again, the same one that we used before. Making sure to dust it off a lot because this highlight is actually really pigmented, and we're going to go in right where we normally put our highlight. Wow, guys, look at that. Guys, look at that. Nose tip along our Cupid's bow. Really pretty, guys. All right, and then I'm just going to go in lightly with some bronzer. This is LA Colors bronzer, and I'm gonna be going in with the foundation brush we already used. We're gonna put this on just the tip of one of the sides, hit it off, and then we're gonna go in and bronze into the hollows of our cheeks and along the perimeter of our face. So now I'm gonna go do my lashes and I'll be right back. Our lashes on, and I'm gonna be honest, I kind of really like how grungy this is, like full grunge. Like when I think of grungy makeup, I think of maybe eyes that aren't like completely blended out to filth. The mascara I used is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. I got this at the dollar store as well. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the lips. They had a color stick in black, which is really what I wanted to do. Couldn't find anything black-ish, but I did get this liner, and it came with two. So, we're gonna line our lips with some eyeliner. Okay, and then I'm going to go over that with the color stick, which I do not have a lot of faith in. Oh, crayon. Just straight up crayon. And then I'm going to go in with the last product, and that is the mini setting spray. So, this setting spray is by LA Colors, and it's little, it's tiny. We're going to go in and spray the face down. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!